July 31. Can we know your reaction to that one, sir?
Well, we commend the court for the order, which you all know has been has been used to contain the protest to the Abiola National Stadium. Today we came to court and we confirmed to the court that based on the order made by the court, we serve through both electronic media and the print media. And those processes were made available to the court. And then we also asked for the court to extend the order pending the hearing on notice in view of the fact that the letter that led to this application, an interim order, also talk about protesting more than 10 days. So the court extended the order pending the determination of the hearing on notice and asked us to serve all the interlocutory applications on some of the defendants not served. Like the Nigerian Army, they have not been served. And then some of the unknown people, we need to do another advertisement to bring it to their notice that they need to be in court to defend this action. And we thank the court for the indulgence granted us. And then also we're happy that there's now normalcy in Abuja. Thank you very much. Well, those people that are attacking the judge for the order did not even read the order, and they did not even read the full details of the fact presented before the court. We are talking about a letter written to the Minister of FCT, asking the minister to remove the barbed wire and the fences surrounding presidential villa for them to go there. I mean that is enough reason to grant this kind of order. So the people that are attacking the judge for granting this order, they are doing it out of ignorance without reading the facts that were presented before the court. And that is most unfortunate because most of them are lawyers that are doing that. And to me, it's not just, it's about intimidation of the court, which is not right. A court should not be intimidated. If a judgment is given or an order is given that you are not happy as a lawyer, if you are not happy, you can come to court to even join as an interested party, not to discuss it on the pages of newspaper without knowing the underlying fact why the order was granted. There is no country that will see a letter written threatening to invade a presidential villa that they will sit down and look. This order has curtailed what will have the kind of violence that will happen that day. And I commend the judge for the courage. And all those people insulting, they are doing it out of ignorance.
Thank you so much.